Yeah. Spearfish Canyon. Just had a bite to eat. Sitting here watching all the bikes go by. I decided to stay close up to the northern hills of the Black Hills. Not going far from camp today, but tomorrow I'm kind of thinking I'm going to go for a further distance. Today was kind of a lighter day, so I'm really not doing much other than just come to Spearfish Canyon, and I think I'm probably going to go stick my feet in the creek. Since I'm here, I'm not doing anything else. So, anyways, I just finished up my bite to eat, and I'm just relaxing for the moment, and so I'm going to sit here for a little bit while longer, and then go head over to the creek and probably stick my feet in it. So, talk to you later. Oh man, the water is clear and it is ice cold. Oh, wow, amazing. It looks right behind me. Man, life is nice. Feels so good. Wow. Anyway, so I'll talk to you later. In all my days and all the years that I've been coming here, riding by here for the rally, I've never stopped at this particular place here in Spearfish Canyon. And I always thought as I'm riding by, it looks like a nice place to stop, but I never have. And well, today is the day, so let's go take a little look around here and see what we got. Nice. Spearfish Canyon. Ooh. If I open that, would I cause a flood? Ah, beautiful. You see the fish down there. Not sure if the camera's seeing them, but yeah, there we go. Water's plenty clear, you can see the fish. It's a beautiful place here. Spearfish Canyon. Oh my. Yeah, that was a beautiful place. I'm glad I stopped. Wow. Spearfish Canyon sure does not disappoint. Wow. Amazing. Anyways, right now I think I'm just going to head back to camp now. Like I said, today is going to be a kind of a lighter day. And so I rode Spearfish Canyon and made a couple stops, soaked my feet. And so I think now I'm going to just head back to camp. So talk to you later. All right. Well, that's going to wrap up this video. I'm back at my tent, of course, and it's dark out. So I'm heading to bed, and tomorrow's going to be more of a longer day. I'm going to go do a longer ride tomorrow. I'm going to do some more stops than I did today. So it's going to be a longer day. So anyways, thanks for watching this video, and stay tuned for tomorrow's video.